What's going on, guys?
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to another episode.
We are Sneak City. We are located in Seattle, Washington. This is the view you guys get every day. So we'll do a little intro here. It is Sunday. We are ready for hopefully a busy day. T's got her coffee. We're ready to get wired up. Moscow's getting comfy. Don't forget, everything in our store, you guys can find it on our website at thesneakcity.com.
Yes, and I believe there are a couple sizes left in the Moscow merch tees available on the website. I think we have up to 3XL. So make sure to go grab one of these before they are sold out. We are going to be attending Bay Area SneakerCon August 21st and 22nd, I believe. Yep. So we're going to be vending down there. We're going to be buying. We're going to have some SneakerCon merch. So we're super excited to meet you guys. Super excited to get away from the shop for a little bit and have a little bit of a vacation and yeah, come meet a lot of you guys.
It's a long drive. It's like 13 hours for us or something like that.
Yeah, that's okay. I haven't had a road trip in a while, so yeah, I'm super excited.
But all right, guys, let's see what deals we can get into today.
Let's do it. These are worn?
Only twice.
Just looking to sell or trade?
Sell. It was worn once.
I'd probably just take the fire reds and the dunks at like 100 apiece.
Can't go like 140 for each.
Yeah, these are going for like 170 brand new, so 100 would probably be my best. These guys come up to like 120.
Okay.
It's be like 220 for both.
I think I'll keep dunks. So I'll go. You said 120 for
yes.
these? Okay, yeah, I'll do 120 for these ones.
Okay. In that deal, we bought his pre-owned fire red Jordan 3s for $120.
Extras I picked up that I didn't need, impulse buys and shit.
How much did you want for everything?
So I was thinking, so for the shoes and the shirts, I was thinking around like 220.
Okay.
And then the hats, what were you thinking on those?
They're brand new, yeah?
Yeah. I know this one's going for around 1. And then, you know, so I was thinking maybe 80, 60, 60.
Could we do like 340 for everything?
40 for everything. What's that divided up into then? What are you looking at?
It's like 20 each on the tees, 150 on the shoes, and then 150 for the 3 hats.
You going up a little more, around like 375?
I'd probably just stay at that. We're being really picky on clothing and stuff like that.
I understand. Well, yeah, I'll take it.
Okay.
Sure. All this stuff is sitting with me too long anyways. I like the fragments, but...
In that deal, we bought these items for a total of $340. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you a quick little update on the store layout. Our 1-year anniversary, we had 50% off all clothing. If you guys may or may have not seen in the videos, we did have like a clothing rack. Boom, boom, right there. I had like a light bulb moment. Light bulb moment. Just have our employees, they were like kind of sitting on the floor over here in the way, just not very professional, taking photos for the website and stuff. So I thought it'd be cool to like put a little floating desk right here and then just have a little bit more space for shoes. So we took down the clothing wall, had a big sale on the clothing, got it all out of here, ripped that down, put another slat wall up, and then put this little desk here. So it's kind of nice to have them tucked away and like be able to have their own space to do the photoing and stuff. So super excited about that. And then we just kind of moved the middle area here around.
Yeah, we have one lonely rack of clothes left. So we still have a couple for you guys.
So definitely outgrowing this shop. A lot of people are asking about a second location. It is in the works, but there are some other personal things. We just moved into our house. We are taking care of a lot of other things right now, but a second location definitely is a goal of ours in the future. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick little update on what's going on around here. How are you?
Good. Got some ones you probably haven't seen in a long time, so.
I like that.
With the laces. Brand new.
What is this,
2013? Yeah, 13 I think. And I got the bread to match, same year I think. And then I was going to show you too, I got about 200 some pairs in my collection. I'm looking to give it about 50.
Okay.
It's hard to, I took pictures and just to kind of, if you want to look and see which ones you'd be interested in.
Okay. I might have you email us.
Okay. Just a lot. So I don't know if there's certain ones, because I don't know how big buyouts you guys do.
I mean, yeah, we've bought up to like 300 pairs at a time.
Okay. So
Everything's yes in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Just cash today, or did you want to try trade?
I hate those boxes.
Even the easy boxes make that same obnoxious sound.
Am I thinking about this? I'm not sure yet. I have 2 of these. I finally started wearing my other ones. So I'm like, I don't need to have 2 cameras. So, there's only one in here that I might think about. That might be kind of tough to sell. We'll see. Was it 2011 pair?
I mean, how much more shiny the 2011 pair is than the
Yeah.
18?
I have the 18. That's why that one's kind of like.
Yeah, these ones might crack if you want them.
Well, I thought these would like hit big right now with the powder blue being in. Like, I thought these would go through the roof. I'm like waiting, and they're just sitting. I'm like, if these came out nowadays, a powder blue 3, like this, all this nice weight, you know, I think it would hit hard. It'd be crazy for it.
I know the quality on some of the shoes they're pushing out right now is
Yeah, this is great quality.
Seriously?
Amazing quality on those things. There's no yellow in this either, which I was surprised. Or that in that older pair. I've never seen one that white. I've had it for like 6 years. I don't know what I did to make it. Because I have a used pair of these that I wear, but I have the newer pair, 2016 pair.
Are they both white still?
No, the 2012 pair is just crazy yellow. I've only worn them like 4 times.
Must just be being out in the air and stuff.
These are ones I haven't seen for a while, but those are. These have gone up quite a bit.
Yeah, these have gone up a
They
lot.
skyrocketed, so I'm like, yeah, probably not gonna wear them. So probably now's the time to sell rather than have them re-retro and, you know.
Right. I know, it's getting to be that time. These are what, 2012?
Yeah, and these are pretty popular too, I think. So I can see these coming out in the next year or 2. Save these 2 for last. See what you want to do on these. I know big sizes don't move for you too well, so I don't know how interested you'd be on doing like a big bulk deal like that I would do.
260 on these?
280?
Just be at 260.
That'll work. I think we've talked about these before. Kind of a little bit lower than what I thought.
2011.
What was the last sale on these?
Last sale is 400. Last sale 420 on the size 13.
Big sizes do better on these ones.
Big sizes have been doing decent for us. How much did you want on these?
There's that anomaly, the 560 that hit. But yeah, I would think you probably get 420, 440 for them, so 320.
Do 3?
Maybe 320 on this one, since I got you 260 on last one.
I probably just got 3.
All right, we'll go 3. I had all the older, the old cut on all these ones.
You like them better than the new ones?
I like the look of them. High cut brings your foot up a little bit, but I'll tell you what, these are not as comfortable last time.
A little bit more stiff.
The low cut are pretty stiff, yeah. It's not one you'd ever want to hoop in. like everyone, it would not be good. Not a good hoop and shoe that old of a shoe.
Yeah, the cool grays that they're gonna come out with, it's gonna be that same high cut. I think
I don't like
the
the look
nice.
of them.
think
It's so
they'll
high
look
because I have the cool gray, the older ones that I like, and more than well, at least the pictures I've seen I don't like as much. But I'll get them. But still, it's
How much you want on these?
380 for these. It's pretty fair.
Do 350?
360. Okay.
Size 13 cameras.
These are still going pretty good, I think. The last sale kind of killed it, but these. That last sale, but I mean, if you look at the previous, these are going to go probably close to 6.
That one might be hard for me. I'd probably be closer to like 350 as well on these guys. Otherwise, I'll probably just hold off on them.
Well, you can get up to 4 on these if the last couple
Let's
sales.
come back to them. The gammas, they're just a little bit harder for us.
There's one, I mean, I think 4's pretty fair, but we can come back to it.
Yeah, let's come back.
And I know what you're going to sell these for, so I have to be at a certain number on this one.
I'll be at 350 on these.
4 on this one, because I know this on a 550. And you'll get it all day.
Can we do 375 each on these guys?
380 each.
That's cool.
Okay.
We're at 1680 right now.
All right.
Screen glow.
These what was the last? I just
These have been going up a
glanced,
lot.
and they've been selling too like crazy too.
I'm glad I got my pair before they really.
So this is one that I mean.
Damn, our size is 950.
These green glows are going through the roof. I thought we'd hold these a little longer, but I'm like, I don't trust. So what's 13 going for? Can you give me 4 on this one? Give me
I'll
one
max
this one.
pay out at 350 on these ones.
Well, I'll hold this one right here.
Okay.
This is 350. This is where I bore a little bit.
2013 Royal.
That's last. Those are hard for me.
Yeah, you brought these in a couple.
I know. I just want to swear because I don't want to pay $1,000 for the 2016s because I sold all my 2016s. So I'm like busting about wearing them. But I have 2 pairs of the newer Royals, so I'm like, these can work. But these are selling pretty well too, though. You know, I saw the prices went bad.
Like $350 on these.
$380. Pretty rare to find a lace base shoe tree and everything. I've had these like 6 years. I've been holding them for a long time. So where are we right now?
Right now, 2060.
If you, how about this? I know what I want. What you were where on this one again?
350.
So I like 380 for these.
What do you add on these?
And what was the last? What was the last thing on these? It's like I forgot. I was looking at stuff last night, but I don't find nobody's stock here.
I'll sell 7.
You're right, the 7. So if you can go 380 here, 480 here, you get a little bit of room on this one.
800 for both, so it'll be 450 and.
So I was 380, 480. Is that where I was?
Yeah, I think so.
And that equals what?
860.
840. Can go those.
Just 8, man.
820. Then we'll call it good.
Just do 8.
Where's where they put his total at 8? I'm not holding this one.
2860.
So you want 350 for these?
I want both for 8.
You said 350 first though. You're gonna have to pay 820 for both of them. If not, just go 350 for this one.
Or you could just keep this one and we could get 2060 for these. I'm good.
I think these are gonna keep going.
You want to keep them? You can keep them if you want. I'm down to do 2060 for GCs.
What's your hesitancy on these?
I don't know. They're just higher dollar ones.
With popular shoes out there.
We just have a ton of size 13, so I'm not.
All right. Well, let's do that. I'll keep these. I figured I'd keep a couple because I still think these green glows that's what they're doing. They're going crazy right
So
now.
2060 for these guys.
That works.
Cool. Did you want to grab these 2 or hold off on them? Is that a 13?
Yeah. What's that? Looks like a small 13.
Yeah.
What's the size of this thing?
Should be down on the.
Okay.
Yeah, this looks like a small 13.
Never
If you take those, I'll do the 820.
I've just never had. I'm not a fan of this leather.
The tumbled, like they do on the pine green 2.0s too.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan. I like more the smooth. I'll hold off on these. I'll need these. 2060 were cool.
Okay. In that deal, we bought these pairs of shoes for a total of $2,060. We have Ari and Ashton and Claire. They're out here from Missouri.
They just picked up some major heat, and she wants to put these on feet and wear them out. Size 7.
Off-White UNC's
honors.
brand new.
Brand new.
With
We
the orange
lace swapped
laces in
for
there.
her, and she's gonna put them on for us.
Oh, Ashton, what did you grab?
I got some Yeezys and then the other Off-Whites.
Have you been looking for those for a while?
Yeah, I've been looking for these for a while. Well, my wife has, but for me, I guess. She, actually, yeah, I think this is the right box, right?
Yeah, I think it opens on the other side. To that little tab.
There it goes. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Brand new. You said they fit pretty good?
Yeah, they're a little snug, but they'll do fine. It's real leather, so.
That's awesome.
great.
Good pickup, dude.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
What's up, buddy? Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Are you being bashful?
Yeah, for a bit.
Huh? He's like, I know I'm cute. I know I'm cute. They feel good?
Oh yeah.
They fit like perfect?
So perfect, like a glove.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it
Waiting for
going?
you.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
It's okay.
Literally the worst traffic I've ever been in my life.
Oh, we're up north.
Crazy, man.
I thought you have the purple dunk. Can I? I see that.
We do 150 store credit.
Yeah, I'll do that. Cool.
They're not sold, right?
I didn't see so.
We $192.94 on top. In that deal, he traded his neutral gray Jordan 1s plus $235 for our court purple SB Dunks. So we had somebody come in. They did not want to be recorded, but came in, sold a bunch of his Supreme SB Dunks.
Look at all these purple boxes. Most of these are Supremes, but there is a couple Atmos dunks in here.
Ooh, those are so nice.
Super nice. Yeah, let's go to the pile, see what sizes and see what we got.
Moscow looking like a chicken nugget.
Yeah, we got 4 pairs of the bark roots. We have size 7.5. I think one's an 11.5. I want to say one was a 10, and I don't recall this one.
7.5.
8.
8.
So 7.5, 8, 10, and 11.5. We got 3 pairs of the blue Supreme SB Dunks. We got 8, 11.5 here, and 8.5 here. Moscow, it's in the carpet.
And then one lonely.
Yeah, there was one
green pair.
mean green machine in a size 8 as well. All these are brand new.
They've dropped in price so much.
I know, it's crazy. I think this one's still the highest though, right?
Yeah,
It's definitely not my favorite color. The blue one's my fave for sure. What else we got? We've got some super clean off-white UNCs. These are a size 10.5. Look at that. And then we did get some big boy heat, all DS. We've got 2011 Concord, size 13. We've got the 2012 White Cement 4s, brand new size 13 on these. 2013 Royals,
Got some
powder
gammas.
blues, gammas, black cement 3s with the Jumpman.
Size 13 heat.
Size 13 heat for sure. That's gonna be the end of today's episode. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Thank you guys for 74,000 subs. I think we're at. Are we climbing?
I think we just
We're
hit
almost at
76. I believe.
76. Sheesh, we're vibing. Thank you guys so much. We can't show our appreciation enough for you guys taking time out of your day, watching our videos, liking our videos, commenting on our videos. Say thank you, Moscow. Say thank you.
Hey, his hair's growing. His hair's finally growing.
Alright guys, don't forget, if you're interested in any of this, it will already be on the website by the time this video airs, thesneakcity.com. If you guys follow us on Instagram at thesneakcity, you would have already seen that we got all this stuff in. So make sure to tap in there, The Sneak City. For now, we out.
Peace out, guys.